In the first video of our backyard setup series, Jim demonstrated how to level your StarCat or Dauntless evaporator. The next step is to get the grates and bricks into the arch. We're going to demonstrate this on a Dauntless. If you have a StarCat, please refer to the StarCat Assembly video for those instructions.
Now the first thing I'll do is put the grates back in. Like so.
There's a front and a back to that, right?
There is a front and back on the Dauntless grates. The back has a little bit
of space.
The base sticking out past the last grate.
And here's why. You have to be able to fit the bricks in.
Yep, so the bricks are held in place. They're straddled on all four sides. One side by the blanket and two sides by the grate assembly.